So if you hear a noise and then you don't hear it, don't ignore it. Get it checked out by a professional, and especially if it's time for that routine maintenance, which you should be doing, twice a year. Make sure you tell the technician what you're hearing and where you are hearing it. Chances are he's probably not going to hear it, but if it's a motor going bad, if it's a squealing motor, the amp draws might be running a little higher, and that could lead him to what the problem is. So don't totally dismiss the noise because it stopped. Make sure you tell that tech what's going on, when you heard it, and at the best you can, try to tell them what it sounded like.